Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to attribute transfer one feature class to another feature class. Okay, I will show step by step. Okay, I have three feature class: point, line, polygon. So I honored labels point feature class and line feature class. So line feature class labels are already honored. Point feature also on, but there is no diameters. So I will show transfer attributes. So first here special adjustment tool is there. Click here special adjustment. After click this one, go to attribute transfer mapping, click on that. Here it will show feature class, whatever feature class it is available table of contains, it will show here. So here point, line, polygon. So I want to transfer line feature class diameter to point feature class. So here source is line. So line I want to transfer to target point feature class. So point feature class, which field I want to update? Diameter field. So here line feature class also diameter, point feature class diameter also. Select auto match. Click auto match. OK. See, now here in this tool it will show here attribute transfer tool. Click this one. See this 70 diameter I need to update point feature class. It is showing 0 label I already on it, but here there is no diameter, it is showing 0. So what I will do, this 70 diameter need to update point. Select line, click point. See it's looking there is no update. So what will already update, but it is showing 0. Zoom on, zoom out. See 70 diameter it will update it. Okay, same like that. So see here 70 there, for example 50 diameter I want to update. Here number of lines is there, so that's why it is showing. I will take this 70, click, see 70. So same this one also small 70. So I want to update 40 diameter to this diameter. So zoom on, zoom out. See 70 updated. So you can update line to line feature class also, we can update. So that one also I will show you. Go to special adjustment, attribute transfer mapping. Here line to line, I will click line. So same, which field we need to update? Diameter field. Click auto. OK. See this 70 diameter I need to update this one. 40 I want to replace. See before. So here what happened I will show you. Here before you are doing this one transfer geometry network, click uncheck. Okay, click. Now it will update. See I want to update. Here two lines is came. So I will remove one line. See now select attribute transfer. Click, click. Zoom on, zoom it. Select this one, zoom in. See 70 diameter is came. So I want to update 40 diameter. So okay, select and 70 replace it. Select. See 40 change. So you can transfer point to point feature also. Okay. First what I will see here 40, 70 is there. So I want to transfer point to point feature. Then here you need to put point to point feature class and select diameter to diameter. Click auto match. Before it is going to, you need to uncheck. Okay. See this 40 diameter need to update this point feature. Same this one to this. See zoom in. See 40. You want to update 40 to 40 diameter, 70. See before 70, now it will 40. So you can transfer any feature class, any attribute field. Okay friends, this is the how to transform attribute transfer. Okay, thank you so much.